In this video, you'll learn how to verify your Envato account. By following these steps, you will successfully activate your account and gain access to all the services Envato offers. Begin by checking the email inbox associated with your Envato account. Look for a verification message from Envato. If the email is not in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder, as it may have been filtered there. It is crucial that you have access to the email account you use for registration to complete this process. Next, open the email you found and locate the verification link included within it. Clicking this link is essential as it confirms your email address and identity. Be cautious to click the link only once, as multiple clicks may lead to errors. After clicking the link, you will be redirected to the Envato website, which indicates that you are on the right track. Once the link is clicked, your account will be activated. At this point, you should be able to log into your Envato account without any issues. This activation is necessary for you to access the full range of services that Envato provides, including making purchases and utilizing additional features. If you encounter any problems during this process, such as not receiving the verification email, you can request a new verification email from the Envato website. This option ensures that you can complete the account verification if the initial email was missed or lost. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.